Hi, so here's some easy and different ways we can think about division. If we're actually looking at the problem 329 divided by 3, one of the ways that we can actually model this out is by thinking about it as hundreds, tens, and ones. So we're actually starting out with 300, 2 tens, and 9 ones. If we're dividing it into 3 groups, you can think about this as 1, 2, 3 groups. If we were to take this 3, we can actually divide this group of 3 into 1, 2, 3 groups. So we've used all 3, so we have 0 left. Now this tens. We don't have enough tens to divide in those 2 groups. So what we're going to do is actually change these 2 tens into 21. So we actually have 29 ones now. And if you notice, we have actually 0 tens in each group. Now, students can either, if they can realize what 29 divided by 3 is, they could divide it out. Another way is, if you're not sure, you can actually put dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Now here's the thing, if I go any more, these will not all have equal groups. So I'm taking out 27. So 29 minus 27 is 2. Now what I can actually do to figure out the answer, I have 100, 0 tens, and 9 ones in each group. So going up here, we have 109 with the remainder of 2. This is one method to do this, and this is a great visualization. Now, this lends itself very well to the traditional algorithm way, which is the way most of us learned it in school. So if we had 329, we can then divide it. If we have 3 divided by 3, we get 1. We're going to use up all 3 of those, so that's why we're going to multiply and divide it by there. 3 minus 3 is 0. We can then bring that 2 down to realize that we have those 2 tens. Now, again, we can't share those 2 tens in that 3 group, so there's 0 there. So, therefore, we're going to bring down that 9. So now we have 29 ones. What we can do is realize that 29 divided by 3 is 9. We'll use 27 of those with 2. So we have a remainder of 2. Now another way that's very similar to this that kind of eliminates the bringing down, but several students actually like, you're going to want to actually spread it out. You're going to have 329 divided by 3. Now I'm actually going to change colors so that we can actually see some things that are happening here. 3 divided by 3 is 1. We can still divide that out and get 0. Now we can bring that 0 up. Now we have 2 tens. We cannot divide that, so we're going to still put a 0 here. Subtract, you get 2. You're going to bring that 2 up here, so now we have 29 divided by 3. In this case, we still end up with 9. We multiply to get 27 to get 2. So we end up with a remainder 2. So those are 3 different methods that you can use to actually solve some division problems.